comes the epic intro. Bam! Or not, because I don't have intro yet. But I will have it in the future. So guys, beautiful day out here in Lithuania. Spring is already approaching behind the window. And today we are going to visit a very specific and unique Lithuanian holiday celebration called Užgavėnės. What's Užgavėnės? Užgavėnės is kinda edge between winter and spring. It's a very old pagan, traditional Lithuanian folk event. From the old days, people were gathering together on that day, dressed in devils, witches and other creatures, covering their faces with masks. They were dancing a lot, going from house to house, singing together, and yeah, eating pancakes, burning kinda, how it's called, fake decoy thing, which is called more. So it symbolizes all the bad things, what happened before and stuff. And in the end of the celebration, they put it on fire and burned it to the ground, and that means like a fresh start. And you know, and there's one more main event in this celebration. It is a fight between KANAPINIS and LAŠININIS. There's two guys, they symbolize winter and spring. KANAPINIS is a hempen man, he's a spring guy, and the fat guy is LAŠININIS, means fat. He's a winter guy. If LAŠININIS wins, winter stays in the yard. If KANAPINIS wins, then spring successfully starts over the winter and everybody is happy. Because everybody is waiting for spring, that's for sure. So that's it for the small introduction about this event, and let's go there and see how it looks like. So the first stage when you enter this event is like shopping square, where you can buy some essential masks and stuff for the party. But yeah, now these masks nowadays look like Halloween ones. I don't know, but the seller says that it's like normal for this celebration, so I trust in here.
Hello!
Traditional Lithuanian Užgavėnės item. Fake zombie hand. Oh my god. And nu dabar turėsi pirkt. Now you have to buy something, man. Yeah? Am I right? Am I right, I say? Aš teisus sakau. Sorry.
Sorry.
So I probably want to introduce you with traditional Lithuanian Užgavėnės mask. So before entering the event, you have to be fully prepared for the party, as I am right now. And yeah, good to celebrate Užgavėnės. Update on the mask. So the seller says it is a hempen man mask, traditional one. So me as a hempen man supporter should buy this one. But let's, and the KANAPINIS will win. What time? Kokiu metu bus kova? What time the fight is happening? 4 o'clock. So we have 1 hour until the fight. And here's the fat guy mask. So choose. Yeah, really fat. So we're gonna fight. So one more important thing to mention is that this event is happening in Rumšiškės, where the National Folk Museum, something like that is. So it's a huge territory with like traditional Lithuanian villages from different times. Yeah, so if you are visiting Lithuania, it's a nice place to come and see how the Lithuanians lived ages ago. Alright, it looks like the fight is gonna start right now. So that lady called Moria, and she's gonna be burned to the ground, like in seconds. Super delicious. It's classical Lietiniai pancakes. Lietiniai pancakes with strawberry jam and sour cream. How it's called? Grietinė. So we arrived to the party a little bit later in the afternoon. I'll take that. Thank you, sir. So all the attractions are closing, but I still have a successful chance to break one pot. Instructor is showing how to do that.
Padinę mušam tik iš viršaus, kad šukės nelakstytų ir neužgaus žmonių.
Taip.
Kamera veikia, akis užrišam.
Duosim draugui. Professional athlete. It was easy. So that's how Lithuanian Užgavėnės looks like. See you next year.